Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to check your TikTok analytics and stats. To access TikTok analytics you need to have a TikTok Pro or business account. A regular TikTok account does not have analytics features. And this might also explain the TikTok analytics not showing issue. If you don't have your account as business or pro account, then go to our channel Howto and DIY and watch this video. First step is open your TikTok app on your mobile device. Then go to your profile on your TikTok is the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three vertical lines in the upper right hand corner. Then choose the Creator Tools tab. From there select Analytics is the first option. So you can see all the details of your own account. If you first time open analytics, then turn on. So you can see all the details of your own account. Overall, contacts and followers.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar, so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.